awunina benkayishana kamenze yaphuza umlazi angameva awu madoda ngiyanibingelela lo nibingelelayo uProfessor Mkhize umfana wale phansi kwaNongoma esigodini sakwaBheka umthetho ngiphuma kaMandlakazi lolu hlelo olubukelayo noma lo mabona kude ubukelayo noma lo mbukiso ubukayo lo mbukiso yalo ubukayo iMPTV1 ngaphansi kwesihloko esithi How I Ended Up in Drugs lapho khona sisuke silanda abafowethu nodadewethu abahlala emgaqweni noma abafowethu nodadewethu ababa nebhadi noma ababa izisulu zokuwela ezidakamizweni noma abayizisulu zebhubesi okuyilona esilibona engathi lifuna ukwengamela noma ukuqotha intsha yakithi. So siyayeke sibabize ukuthi bezoshare noma bezosixoxela umuntu udaba lakhe indlela kuyiyona angena ngayo esidakamizweni nganhloso ngqangini na ngenhloso ngqangi yokuthi sigweme noma sivikele laba abangakangena esidakamizweni. Ngiyayize ngithi ngelinye ilanga sibhula umlilo lapho ungakafiki khona ngoba kunomuntu osekhaya kunomuntu obukelayo kunomzali obukelayo kunengane ebukelayo ngoba ngokubuka ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo bahamba indlela ezingafani bonke labantu labo. Kungenzeka ukuthi wena le ndlela owahamba ngayo ukuzogcina uwele ezidakamizweni ukhona omunye osayihambayo kodwa ongakafiki kule level ozothi mayebona wena ushare udaba lakho bese ke eyafunda noma kuyamphaphamisa noma kumhlamba ugebhezi noma kuyamcebisa ukuthi engabe saqhubeka nalezo ndlela ngoba naye engayithola esesimene esifana nalesi. Ungabingelela umphakathi uzibike uzichaze ukuthi umfoka bani wesinayi namhlanje.
Okay, ngiyanibingelela mphakathi ninonke lonkana zonke inhlangothi zomhlaba eSouth Africa ozomhlaba wonke la afike inyelela khona
lo mbukiso bhanyabhanya.
Yes. Igama lami nginguthabiso isibongo ngawamdunge ngeqhamuka eNtshanga ngaseHammersdale. So ngithande umfethu behlangana nami ngathanda ukuthi nami ngikwazi ukubeka udaba lami ukuze ngikwazi ukubonisa nokucibisa ezinye izingane zasekhaya because akumnandi alukho esho iminute elimnandi ekusebenziseni i-drugs even a second yabo once ubusula yana mfethu kwi-drugs is like ngazi ngabika kanjani komunye umhlaba on the hell streets uhleli nosathane nibukana naye kanje
nibhekene ngeziqu zamehlo.
Yes mina njengothabiso kwaMdungu isibongo ngiqale kanjani i-drugs ongihambe kanjani le ndlela egcine singibeka i-drugs.
Yazi into ethabisa nje ngithanda ngawo ngithanda indlela othi wena ukhule ngayo ne direction obunayo kuze kufike lapho khona izinto ivele iphume ziphambane ke manje ibheke eceleni. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe lokho kungamcebisa nombukele ekhaya kungasiza futhi nabanye and futhi kungenza lunophala udaba lakho lucebe kakhulu kunakuqala.
Ngiyajabula nangendlela oyibeka ngayo mfethu nami ngipha ukuthi ngikwazi ukubekela ngendlela mina njengothabiso kwaMdunge angeke iqambele ongiqambela ababukeli amanga ngithi ngikhule ngingekho right ongekhule emndenini ongekho right. Yes umndeni wami benganakho konke but ngikhuliswe as a single parent ekuncamisile kwaMdungu and engimthanda ngayo yonke impilo yami mfethu ozame ngayo yonke indlela angithola mfethu only ukuthi lesimo esikusona niyasazi nathi silwa ngazo zonke indlela ukuthi sigcine sinqobile yabo but uma wami uzamile mfethu mina ngingene kanjani ke lana ukubhema nje sesiqala kulabo kokwaye siqala kulezi zinto lezi ngumuntu owa94 esithi ngiqede ngo2012 esikoleni and angikaze ngifeyile kube kanjani kumina ngiqale ukubhema okwaye ngo2010 kanje I was doing grade 10 so ngitshontsha amalozi lona find out ukuthi ukwaye ngobhema 1 nginabangani but once after school sengisekhaya angubhemi sengiyingane because ngiphume emndenini o-streets even uma ube yedwa but ube street engizamela
ukuthi
ukuthi ngi-right and ngi-happy yabo because ngeke ngithi even uyazi ubumfana mangicela i-all star yabo mangicela ukuthi ngokubona baba ubezama ngayo yonke indlela mfethu yabo ukuthi ngibe nayo lonto until kwaze wafika isikhathi whereby ngithi ngabhema ugwayi okuhlaza. Ugwayi okuhlaza ngubheme nini? Ngubheme 2011 whereby I was doing grade 11. Ngubhema kanjani ugwayi okuhlaza? Kufika umngani nami bekade ephuma kwesinye isikole only to find out ukuthi ufika azohlala eduze kwami. Whereby ngigcine ngi-influenceka ngawo ugwayi okuhlaza. In the meantime there's utshwala kanjena yayizwa yonke leyo nto. In the meantime kulabo utshwala khona lezi zinto lezi kuthiwa hoqo, yabo lezo zinto lezo zonke lezo zinto. Ila uqala khona ubona izinto enjengani ukuthi i-drugs, because i-drugs into sokungayazi ubukhulu umfana wesikole, into sokungayiboni sokungekho eduze kwakho. Whereby ngaqala ngabona oqo zonke lezi zinto lezi, only to find out lucky by enough because I was still in the straight position ngisazazi ukuthi ngifunani. I'm not saying ukuthi manje angizazi ngifunani, but that time I was still like, no, when I doing after school, I want to do this, I want to do that. As much as I was wishing to be a lawyer after school or a teacher, that was my second choice. So ngaqhubeka ngafunda nga-right, sengifunda nje sengibheme drugs ekuthiwa idaha nogwayi. Then in the meantime when we have something ngiphuza utshwala. But
wemdungu lesi sigaba okusona ngokwezidakamizwa futhi usugugudile. Kunomuntu obhema insanga njengamanje othi yena kunomfana nje obhema insanga esikole njengamanje akezwe abazali, akezwe uthisha, yena nje uyibhoza nje. Kungathini ukudlula kuleyo ndawo ngoba njengamanje kwamanje
ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wakho.
Zikhona ingane namanje ezibhema insanga ngoba zithi i-light.
Ku dangerous kakhulu ngane sekhaya. Kakhulu because be aware ubhema ugwayi ulandelwa insango. Angithola
angithi uqale lapha kuyilusi.
Yes. The more ubhema insango izokutshena ukuthini suthi ukukhula. Ingakho uzoqala ugolozela abasekhaya. Ayizwa ne voice yakho obvious ubhema insango izoshintsha indonde ikuphe leya base. Yayizwa lonto not because leya base usunayo ikhishwa ile drugs insango. So after that uzoyibona ngathi usumdala. I-drugs ne-drugs engakusho nomzala kumele anginothise kumzali. I-drugs ne-drugs libize elinye. Angithola ngana sekhaya utshwala uzokubizela uqo, bazokubizela ontashi into efana emakhaleni. Angithola lonto insango izokubizelani zonke lama drugs lawa ngawabala.
Ngawabala
insango ijwayele most of the time ukubizela ama drugs anje ngawo heroin ithe wonga. Bajwayele ukubizela ama drugs anje ngithiwa iphilisi ithe mendres. Ajwayele ukubizela ama drugs afana njengo tick it's a pills whereby they were putting in the class, then you sniff it like I don't know whether they understand the tick, but they're gonna go far if they wanna understand. Akubizela lezo zinto onjengo tick. So ingane yakho if isiqalile yabhema drugs like ugwayi insango, cela ube more straight, limit ukuyinika emalini because the first thing mfethu thandisa imali lento ngana sekhaya. Ngithola lonto yonke into icabangayo we think about money in order to fix myself. Ngithola because nayo life iprepare khona the first time usayiqala uyishaya is very nice. Keep you calm, collected. Isikutshena ukuthi mina ngeke uhlupheke wabhema mina athi ayibo uthi right kanjani uzohlezi onjalo ngeke kuphe addictive the moment ifaka, but it's so dangerous.
Uyakwazi ukuyicontrol ngesikhathi uqala.
Yes because angifuni ukuqambela amanga. It's easy ukuthi uthole imali, it's easy ukuthi afford if usaqala because you know why the time usaqala abantu basebenzana la trust kwena. You check uma wakho sana la trust ukuthi manje ngifuna imali yoku apply esikoleni it's gonna give. Ngiyangithola manje ngifuna imali yokwenza ukuthi it's gonna give anyone around the family. Ngiyakubuza the most of the question when you're asking about the money. You are schooling as well and you're doing well. Ngiyangithola even though they can and the most thing abayenza abavzali ukuthi insango ingcono. Never say ukuthi insango engcono because insango it's a opener of another drugs. Angithola into engishoyo. So kumina kwenzeka kanjani from grade 11 ngiyidle insango. Angithola grade 11 I'm doing dacha, alcohol, all those until matric. I do all those things. The thing which is more dangerous toward me after school ngangithola.
Yeah.
After school only to find that ngayinika lento ukuthi I want a gap year.
Gap year?
Yes.
From high school?
From high school, then
from grade 11 to grade 12.
I was doing dark alcohol. From grade 11, from grade 6, from grade 10
Yeah.
until matric.
Yeah.
I was doing dark alcohol, a straight guy, straight boy, a loving boy from her mom. I'm doing a straight thing. Even her, she's happy.
But use discovered ukuthi wena
It's already discovered because I'm smoking something. Although you never be aware that I'm doing dagga.
Yeah.
It's like I'm doing cigarettes.
Yeah.
And so because it's not easy to tune your mom that no ma I'm doing this and this and that and so and the single parents, the woman parents more special to check. So those 3 years in school I was doing that thing, alcohol, and my friend introduced me on the dancing time.
Oh, it's metric dance if I'm not
Yes,
mistaken.
they introduced me towards those things like all those things which you're using when you're doing alcohol.
Yeah.
I'm talking about what they call the thing with the put in the intash, what the usual name which they know most of the people. They call it, but it's intash. Yes. So they introduced me to that thing because they were having it. I never even paid for it. They just
It was free for
but never figure
from
now.
that day it was for free.
Yes. It's gonna always be like that. You check it. To be honest.
Introduce mahal mawusugaxele.
Yes. It's where you're gonna see by yourself. Then they introduced me to those 3 things while we're doing our dance. We're happy, we're enjoying ourselves, we're drinking, smoking tobacco, all those things.
Yeah.
So only to find out what the nice thing, it was the last day for me and some of them.
Yeah.
So because I'm going back home the following day, they're also going back their home. That make me not fall in love of those drugs.
Yeah.
Because then it was the first time to me to go born and we try. So for me, we end up to another level of the drugs. I'm smoking tobacco, remember?
Yeah.
I'm smoking cigarettes, remember? But I never smoked those other things.
Yeah, those heavy
So
stuff.
I decided after matric, I want a gap year. I want to relax a little bit. Yes, social stage. So I decided, okay, let me have a gap year. Which year is that? It's 2013.
Yeah.
And so then from 2013, I'm doing those. My mom is working, is going out at the house from 6, is coming after 6.
Yeah.
Check. So at home, I'm alone.
Yeah.
My young brother is still schooling.
Nibangaka ekhaya
We only 2,
even
which means
ma-
we're 3.
Okay.
And so
Uphuba.
to be honest and faithful, I didn't know my dad. I never see my dad. I don't have even anything I can say
Even
about
the
my
photo?
dad. Yes, even the photo.
So-
I do have the photo which I received from my family father of my father.
Yeah.
But what happened with my father, he died while I was really
Yeah.
young, about months. You check, then he was shown.
Oh.
But it's what it is. God had a plan. So then after matric, I'm alone at the house. My young brother went to school. My mom went at the craft. They left me with the money. You check. I'm here. I'm smoking dagga. Definitely, because I'm alone. I'm gonna call some of my friends. We're staying at my house. We're smoking. We smoke until what happening, there is another family friend
Yeah.
asked me to go and guide the house. They were having the house of her sister passed away, then that house was left alone.
Ngashiselwa.
So ukuze ngingatshontshwa endlini wathatha mina wathi ngimgadele leni. So ngihlala ngedwa kuleni. And le ndlu ikude ngasekhaya is like ayithola into engisho. Yes, ngingedwa. I'm free. Freedom, yes. So we used to call girl, do parties, different people, ndabangani bakho, even though umnganami, you're gonna come with your friend. Yes, you're gonna meet up there and so kwenza everything. Thoth umngane wakho wazi ezinye izinto ongazazi. Then only because uyazi usuku nomngane wakho nendlu free. Uzofika nalezo zinto ngithola. So I stayed there about a couple of 8 months. That year. Never the
gap year,
on
freedom.
That gap, yes, freedom, everything, enjoying. You think you're old enough to check. So befika mfethu abangani bakho. So that time lento yewonga bangayazi.
It's 2010.
That time is 2013.
Okay.
2010 is when I was starting cigarettes, all that's when I was still at school. So after school, 2013, then I had all those freedom. So my mom is giving me the matcha when I ask anytime. She mali, it's all along. So ngithatha le mali ngiyakubanga kule ndlu yami ngihlala kuyona.
No dance.
Yes. All the way. You know the story mfethu yabo. So into eyenzakalayo mfethu gcineni kuzofika umfana wakubo kwalethekeni eThangadini. Angithola. So lo mfana ngimbiza as my cousin.
Umzala.
Yes, umzala. Angithola. So afike athini usebuyile ubuyaphi kanti ngezi. So nje ubuyile afika ahlala about 3 days. This guy is doing mendress.
When we notice alokho noma
lokho nginotice after 3 days. So lo mshayisi lo bemiphilisi. And imdala nginami. Like much mhlawumbe ngishaya for 5 years.
Ibhuda.
Ibhuda nje sikhulile nginami. So lo mfethu okay wenze mendress abufuna imali kumina yabo lo nto agcine lo mfethu enze njani ithi akasabafuna abangani bami kakhulu. Angithola usefaka safuna igcwale la. Yabo nami ngeke ngisho lutho because indlu yakubo.
Wena just awugada
mina. So ebefika lo mfana lo I feel one day okay first week I see ukuthi okay kune drugs asebenzisayo because nami ngitshena ukuthi ngi out okay I will keep quiet, I won't ask the laws, I'm gonna see because now you out iphume ejele futhi yabo ngizolena more about ubutsotsi nami safuna kube out.
Useke manje le ndaba ye vision yakhe enhle kangaka yokuba
just imagine bro all those and I'm thinking that next year okay this year is my free. But 100% sure next year I have to do something. So remember the year is proceeding. So in about November, this guy is already here. I got a piece job. And so when I got the piece job, I'm used of getting drunk. I'm used of smoking dach. So I'm getting that piece job. I'm enjoying. Even my mom was here because it was only about dates from this month until January. Definitely January. The month's gonna be end of the month. This guy asked me, "Bruh, do you know about Wonga?" What is Wonga? Hey, bruh, you can have a lot of money.
Man, awukhuluma leyo party le izinto ezithintelene newo kumele uyikhulume ngesiZulu ngoba abelungu bazoyirestricta lelokhu le video le bayawa restrict ama video about 15 ama video are restricted bayawa limit ukuthi engayi viral ngoba bathi bangisendele message but I'm promoting drugs but ngaba sendele email back this is for it's for educational purposes. It's not that we are promoting. So bangilwisa namanje kade ngilwimpi yabo khona email ade ngisenda nje wakhona kuthanga. So this is why manje even noma singathi izidakamizwa ngathi drugs izidakamizwa. This is why manje mawuchecka mabe check abantu ama video wami sengiyabhala ngesiZulu angisawa ama titles ngiyabhala ngesiZulu angisabhala ngeEnglish ngoba iEnglish bayi restrict. Okay, manje uyafika uyakubuza ukuthi uyayazi uma na.
Yes. Yangithola. So I was like, what is this? Hey bro, if you can buy this thing because you're crafting, and then we only need about 2.5 or 2 streets. So thola igaxa is 2 or 3. Then we separate them and then we sell them. remember this guy is doing something.
Yeah.
In yena nje ne-drugs zakhe ne-stamps zakhe.
Yeah.
Then I said, okay, but once I get payment, ngizonginika lento le uhambe uyithenga cause imali uyazi ubusakhulu uyayithanda. And they always even tell me we can buy a car within 6 months. Ngithola we can have all in this period of time, short period of time.
Yeah.
Then I get paid, we move with that guy, we come here in Japan and they bought that thing.
Yeah.
And they bought his stuff also.
Yeah.
But what was worrying me, he also smoked
This thing
which we're buying. I'm told, I pay my land, I mix and song, okay, it was those. When we back in the taxi, then we went back in our community.
Yeah.
Remember, the community never likes something like that.
Yeah.
Never loved something like that.
Vele ngadominatile futhi nangalesa sikhathi.
Nangalesa sikhathi.
Yeah.
Bukayo la kuthina mfethu. Thina Owokuqala bathesa lento emphakathini.
Hawu.
Yes. Then besidayisa lento, then we have the matcha. I don't know
Yazi
la.
manje kunenkinga ekhona. Yazi most yabantu abebedayisa ihunga.
Yes.
Most yabo bagcinela kuyona.
Lento ngisho ukuthi mfethu inaleyo angazi ngathini mfethu. Okay, saba nemali mfethu angithola.
Yeah.
But ukuba wezinemali ekugcineni saxabana.
Niba
yaxabanisa. Siba ngemali. There's moment wena ngiyemsebenzini uyasala bhema. Bheme kakhulu. Bheme even emalini yokusebenza.
Yeah.
Yabo. Then we had a fight. Remember I'm the one who put the money.
Yeah.
Ngithola. Then decided to thatha imali yami ngiinvestile.
Yeah.
Then we left with that money.
Yeah.
Which we work on it. Then sasebenza kulo mali. Then the guy I remember ngiphemisanga.
Yeah.
Lento lena ifakwa entsangweni.
Yeah.
So one day I said, bro, I can't sleep.
What's it khuleka?
He prepared the thing.
Yeah.
I asked him, if I do this, what is gonna happen after? Nothing, you're gonna sleep well and nice and then wake up later as
usual.
Yes. We put. We are alone at the house.
Yeah.
We put that thing, we smoke, we share. I never even finish it. Straight sleep. That's all. Wake up at night. There's a small stop. I light it. I had the put and straight on the sleeve. I keep smoking. Remember, we're selling in the meantime.
Yeah.
And so, ingane eningi ziya influence
Khona lapha
emphakathini. They start influencing. This thing starts growing.
Within the community.
Yes, within the community. I'm gonna tell you ukuthi within a community, about December time, it was the most people which are smoking this thing now.
Abazali bayazi lento ithemba.
Start fighting now. Ngeke bengazi mfethu gcwala abafana lapha kuleya yini. Ngithola dayiswa something kuleya yini. Ngithola bangena bayaphuma. Obviously abazali bazoqala ba investigate bathola ukuthi okay kunalento ebhengwayo. Only to find ukuthi okay kwezinye indawo zomphakathi besikhona and people they are starting fighting with it. Ngithola si approachwe umphakathi nalo mfethu. Later on the night hey bafethu sizokuthiwa nanti into kanje soyibheka yabo bayibheke bangayitholi because out ifihlile.
Yeah, and encane into
engekuyinaka
futhi uma ungayazi ukuthi ungayibona
ukubona yona. Then they never found it and we start being aware of the people. Starts police coming in.
Yeah.
Each and every day. We pay police, we pay all this. We had the match, I don't want to lie. Imali khona. Ngithola yakwazi ukukhokhela amaphoyisa. Siyakwazi uku-afford ourselves. And my mom, because the street mom, starts being worried. Kuyaqoka mfethu. Ngithola kuyaswenka mfethu. Kabuhlungu. Ngithola. Most of the time angisayi ekhaya. Ngithola ekhaya mse ngiya 2 times a week. Ngithola.
Kodwa futhi ubadalele ngoba
imali nginayo. Inkinga imali yamwarisha lo nto. Hayi ke boy thatha mina. Ngathi uyasebenza. Awuvaleki. Always unemali. Ngithola. Another thing, uma wami ngasho ukuthi hlaniphe kakhulu bro.
Yeah.
mhlambe i-start notice ukuthi ngiyehla emzimbeni ngithola kodwa imali nginayo ngi-right. Then I'm doing this thing, I'm gonna tshena ukuthi bro wami by January.
Yeah.
Bese ngizwa i-affect le nto le. Once I wake up ekuseni, I'm not feeling right, I'm lazy, check. It's like I can proceed to sleeping, but my stomach is running, it's changing, doing all those things. Those moments, yes, I'm craving for it. That moment, community is fighting, check, toward us. Police are keep coming in and out.
Now,
afuna imali, others they wanna arrest us, others you check. All those things, as it came, all those into this. So my mom decided, no boy, come back at the house. So jenga aunt nami angisafuni. Sengibone kumnandi balaphaya. Nami sengitshenza ngimdala. Sengitshenza ngiyakwazi ukwenza imali on my own. Never forgot ukuthi le mali engcolile, imali engaphela nomnene. Ngithola. Umsebenzi waphela. I stuck on this money and sengibambelele kuyona. Ngithola. Then umphakathi wafika one day, bro. Bashaya.
La le phatheke ithanda.
Ngithola. Futhi ngitshena ukuthi sashawa kalendlela ukuthi mina la ngumdlalo webhola ngilalela nginswempu idisk
kuyingqamu
ngiyishaya phula yami so bangangishaya ngayo babe bangicabangela because ngidlalela umphakathi
amachita akhona
and yabo lento bese ukukhula umfana oright yes iyangisiza phela athiwa nangu umuntu ngithola nangu umuntu lesiqinisekile ngiyathola
nangu umuntu ofaka ingane
yes. So this out yashawa kakhulu because even nomeshawa mina ngizange ngiphuma igazi la ngashayiswa kwengane but yena washawa ngempela futhi because he ended up in hospital. Then he went to hospital, I left alone, procedure doing the same. Yes, ma uyabuza sikoneni hayi ma unginike imali angeke ma bathi ngiqale ngesemester elandelayo yabo sekugcwele manje alright ngiqhubeke ngiyadayisa. This guy sebe sebuya mfethu wabuya nabangani bakhe abanye abawu2 they had a gun, 2 guns.
Bavele bephethe amavalo
baphethe ibhamu hayi mfethu I see like now it's starting to be more dangerous and so because at that time I never know the gun, I never even touched the gun and so hey, there's
so
a gun in front of me. Hey, okay, there's a bullet. How you do when you do the gun? Okay, so ibeka lapha yana ibhamu. Sisalkhiya manje igate umuntu uyamemeza egate ngithola. Zonke lezi starts being worried. Khumbula mfethu ukuthi
uyimess manje.
Sengiyimess and I'm involved. Ngithola. And ngiyababuza la afese bathini into ifeze leni into engwarishayo besifa sonke.
Ezi language yabo
yes asikwenza sonke jumpa sonke. I'm new in drugs and lento siyangidrive ngithola and emqondweni ngisayinike ukuthi ngizoyicontrol ngisanayo imali. I start smoking, dude, it's nice, we're enjoying all those kind of things. Remember, we've been beat by the community and we came back doing the same thing. He came back with another his 2 friends. Community is watching. Ngithola
futhi vele nabo sabazona approach ngesibhamu phela manje sizoshintsha approach
ngithola. Then that's happened ngitshena ukuthi bro wami I smoke. The moment ngiphuma body sasha isibhamu. Yes, that guy owafika nalento le he get dead.
Lo uyena wafika nebhamu.
Yes, lo mfethu washona. This other guy they ran away, but other one been get shot. But they all able to run away. Lo bashona same time endlini because endlini they've been passed bayishisa. Umphakathi yabo. Sekukuba emphakathini. Yes, kuyatshontshwa left and right. Ingane sezenza izinto eziphidayo mfethu.
Zitshotha ngisho makubo manje.
Yes.
Usathane lona kahle.
Mfethu lento angiyazi injani bro wami. Then sekuthi kuyabheda nje. Istradi lesi singakulendlu lesi sihlezi sigcwele. ngithola abafana la bagcwele kubanjwe inkonzi akusadlulwa kalula yes ebusuku semini ngiyaqhekeza
ngiyayazi lento manje ngiyafika endaweni into efikiyeni yawubona umphakathi
yes yawuhliphiza yawuqeda yabo
ikubulala makusasa abantu ibulala abantu
emphakathini bayangazi and bayazi ukuthi ngi-right bayazi mama straight and they know ukuthi nami I'm a right guy I love smoke I do this but now ilele drugs and uma akazi ngithola ekhaya akekho nje wazi and mina manje lo mfethu useshonile lento sebeyishisile ngithola mina ngibuyela back ekhaya ngithola with the addiction wepha my mom akayazi ngithola mele ngiyesikoleni remember yes then nami ngoyitshela ukuthi no I have to change my life the business is dead ngithola other people balikala business ngithola
khona within the community kade bebonile sekushiswa imizi
abantu futhi yabazi yes balandela imali so abanye baqala business all those stuff and then abanye bangibiza section because you know lento iboshwa kanjani sine experience ngithola awusize sokukantinisa mahali so for me it was the advantage to fit my addiction ngithola so I went to them ngiyababophela ngiyabenzela lonto remember if ngenza leyo nto ngazi abantu abaningi and abantu abaningi bayangazi and I'm becoming more close with this thing again ngithola bengikubophela wena uzonginika into onginika yona ngibheme ngibe right bengifika kwi-olede ayingile esikoleni because 2014 I registered bazi nokutshena enye into bro ngafike ngihlalela eThekwini ngingayi esikoleni
uyimali oregister uyinika uma wakho
no NSFAS yabo
ubuhola nje
NSFAS uyawazi yona NSFAS very strict once you never came like 3 months 6 months starting to stop it
bayakwazi ukuyibona nje phela mina ngizazi lezi zinto zokufunda
phela ngithi take care cash came to school all those things fear ngayo so qala NSFAS was stop angikwazi ukuvuselela vela ngiye esikoleni ngithola angikwazi ukwenza next nje mfethu ngumuntu owagcina ngokuthi ngizofika ngizofunda ngaya 3 weeks
ignant abayifuna nje ukufunda madoda
then I sit here in Durban procedure doing remember Izidakamizwa mfethu sibize sinye emva kwaleso I ate up mattress emva kwalapho I ate up a rock angithola
thiyakorofana
remember ukami mase ngiphuma edamzengako 3 drugs 1 person 3 addiction different addiction I have to fix this one I have to fix this one I have to fix this one
manje ayikho into ukuthi uthi hayi ngoba sengikubhemile lokho akusakubiza okunye noma nakho lokho kunye kuyibiza
lokho kuzobiza lokho yabona ngitshena like brother once you do a rock now izokuphara so you need to down it uzoyidowna ngalelinye drugs lento leyo so once you down it you have to clean up your fresh ube hype ube right you need
a rock
or a rock yes it's up to you which one is feeling by yourself then ngiyashaya mfethu lento lena sengiyaphanda ke manje
usulapha ke manje
yes ngile eThekwini ngiza la eThekwini
waphuma uzofunda kanti
angafiki la eThekwini ukuthi ngizohlala ngiphuma ngithi ngesikoleni then later I will go back home then until my mom wabona ukuthi no lo ngenza isilimo yabo wanganginiki ukuthi ngize la esikoleni and why esikoleni bamtshela ngithola we fight like really fight and then now asking yini idlala ngithola sengimncane mskini mina wahleka ngimngaka Paul yabo mhlambe ngingangawo because ngishaya 32 bengi right konje mina 32 hayi labo 28 ngibaqokayo so and ngiyakhanya yabo I'm becoming more dark
uyabona
olethusayinaki ngithola intombi angisafana nasekuqaleni remember umzali wakho uyakwazi
uyashisa abafazi
yes akusangeni lutho la the whole week ngithola senze kufa khona angisana ndaba nje ngithola yini lo idlayo hayi mama phemlutho mina bengibuka iTV yalala ukhohle ukuthi umzali uyakubuka yabona yabo bese drugs the moment ubuka iTV you're gonna fall asleep uyijensi wena ubuka iTV ububekela ukudla la just 1 2 3 ubeke lapha ya it's like ungalite noshukela something nice okay sengibuye uma asanginike imali ukuthi ngize la eThekwini akasangiphi imali nje asekuqaleni we always fighting I'm start sleeping to the friends ngizothola ngiye ekhaya ngilale kubangani bami thatha ingubo zami ngiyoyidayisa yabo sengiyaphanta nje lokushini sengiphantela lento because nami kade ngathi ngibagoqela bagcina sebekwazi sebeya push yes manje sekumele ngithathe ingubo zami ngiyadayisa ngiyabhema you meet up with other people different minds angithola mfethu ungalali mfethu ebusuku khona la sophanda khona ukuze kusini sivuke siqaqa angithola alright ayike ghost yabo sihlangane sinyanyobe siyajomba lapho siyasitshontsha into esitshontshayo idas ngitshena ukuthi ebhola mina ngiqala ukutshontsha I was like abafethu bawazi ukungena endlini bakhipha iTV uyangithola because ngiqala
umuntu uphakathelele
emfethu ngimile mina ewindini ngilinda ukuthi ayidlulise then bese ngiyayibamba ngiyaphuma face bajomba in ngoba u2 doda yaphuma iTV yes ngewindi ngayibeka la zaphuma ipictures u2 ngitshena ukuthi what was more how uthi ungakwazi ukuthatha isikhwama somuntu ekamereni
phambi kwakhe
lele ngithola ibag yakhe umuntu osifazana ukwazi ufika uyithathe uphume nayo first time we win we were happy hey James ngazi ukushaya imali engaka hey umuntu ulele nje kanti niphanda kanje
athi umsebenzi ukhona
yabo ayinayo iTV akunandi naso isikhwama sinemali wow sokulonke siyabhema wow gibele tax siyeThekwini ngithola yabo eThekwini sama boss
ningomalungu
sinansi nayo yonke into kusasa futhi besibuyi izophela ngezi hey James now senze njani
iyo leyo ndaba
around iyo leyo ndaba sifike emzini nomuntu sicela umsebenzi
kanti
nizobuka umsebenzi you watch what is in there baphila kanjani bangaki uba usebenzayo uhamba kanjani ubuya nini uba ufundayo
ikhona insizwa kulomuzi
yayibona yonke leyo nto yes kukhiwa kanjani bekuthi okay bawufihla hayi so accused about 3 yabo hayi and banesibindi ngisasaba yabo hayi na next thing sangena komunye umuzi unama brush cuts egarage ngithola hayi egarage letha yasegarage windi lesegarage encane koloko hayi nawe phela ngena manje thuba lami namhlanje ungena namhlanje bafethe take off the jacket koloko ngaphakathi kumnyama ungakanyisi nabo ayisifuna ukukhanyisa ngithi ungamove kakhulu inyawo zakhe awubona busy bangicontrol okay yini yesithathayo la wena ubona umdini ongayithatha la nami ngiyabheka hayi imshini njani bafethu solanda yona nje ngiyidlulisa ngiyidlulisa hayi kholoqo siyaphuma hayi siphethe imshini namhlanje 1.6 about 3 cabanga
ningabafana
sama boss yayibona yona i-drugs kanjalo liyakuwinisa ethi yabuthi chance yawena one day mfethu kunomfethu othi asimthuthisi and that's mfethu it's one of the days where ngithi ngeke mfethu ngikhohle empilweni yami mfethu ngithola angeke ngikhohle empilweni okay siyafika sothuthisa wena isithuthise then out of nowhere ubuthi uzothi ifoni yakhe ilahlekile and only to find that ifoni yakho vela yikho which means la phakathi kwethu
khona uyithathile
the only thing mina ngibhemayo the most painful thing kulaba fethu sebenza about 3 about 2 ababhemi mina ngibhema drugs ngithola obviously ngangumuntu oyithathile le phone even though yathatha la first cause even namanje ngisasha first phambi kwaNkulunkulu la phone fethu ngiyithathanga ngithola laba fethu abawu2 the 10 dashintsha bangishaya qalo uyibona cabanga ngimpama iphi phone yamalungu ngempama iphi phone yamalungu yabo only found out umalume mfethu sawulanda abanye abantu ngithola ayibo ngithi bengithi egetsini abantu abanganani mfethu
kodwa bakusethele trap
yani kodwa
hey ngizothi
ngizabona leyo nto yani ayinayo ifoni yafuneka ndoda kuphethwe induku ezingaka ngithola Ngashawa from 4 until 8 later on of the day. Yes. Ngibona mina la njani phela.
Ngiyabona.
Lesi scratch is just there sinenhlanhla umzimba wami
uyashesha ukufika.
Mhlawumbe sifika la. Yes. Ne picture ngifisa uyithole mfethu. Nawe uzoyibona dodo.
NgizomWhatsApp mawakho njalo.
I'm in hospital lapha ya mfethu. I'm ngibovu everything. Ngale ndlela ukuthi mfethu ebusweni ngangopha everywhere ngamakhala la ngendlebe igazi aliphuma. Ngifaki because the moment wafika wakhala. Hey, khala angiboni. Ngithola angiboni like umuntu ngimuzwa ukuthi ekhuluma if ngikwazi ngizoza ukuthi wena lo usufikile la khuluma angikwazi ukuvula umlomo ngidle something or chowing something or mfethu ngikwazi like ngaphuza amahewu because uma ngithengela amahewu too much yabo engahlala esibhedlela mfethu engifaki in such a way mfethu lo mthaka lo because udokotela wababopha la udokotela mfethu ngewe ababengishaye ngayo mfethu yabo and if ungibuka uyabona ukuthi lo mfana ngeke ayenze lento le kanti ngingaganga ukuganga kodwa lokho angenzanga yes because